Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of resin earrings, danglers. This is going to be a matching earring to the pendant I showed you earlier on this channel. I will put the link to that tutorial in the description box below and over here also. So let's start making resin earrings. So the pendant I made earlier was of this square shape. So for the earring, any of these three will match, but I think this is going to be a little bit big, so I will choose this shape from here. So let's start first from cleaning the silicone mold. Any particles or dust on the silicone mold will ruin your piece. So first let's start cleaning this. I will use a wet tissue to clean, and after that dry it. I will wipe it with the dry tissue. I'm using this same resin which I always use for all my resin jewelries. So just let's start by pouring a thin layer in the mold. Let's dye first coat of resin, and don't forget to dry it from the other side too. So the first layer is dry now. I use this metallic pen to draw on the resin pendant which I showed you earlier. So I'll use the same color to draw on these earrings too. So this is the first layer of the flower. I'll apply one more layer of resin now. I also use this same glitters for the pendant, so I will use this on the earrings too. Now the second layer is dry. Let's draw some more petals here. Now the third layer of resin. Okay, now the third layer has been dried. It's time for third layer of petals. Now it has beginning to look 3D. It has that sheer 3D effect, because we are drawing the flower layer by layer on each resin layer. Let's apply fourth layer of resin. Now this will be the last layer within the mold, because now that that hook space is not remaining there, so we cannot add any more resin within the mold, otherwise that hook place will get closed. So this will be the last layer within the mold. So let's keep it for drying. Now it's completely dry. Let's take them out of the mold. Now I can see some edges here, so I will sand them out before applying last layer of resin or before drawing the last layer of petals. So let's sand them out. This is a simple nail filer. Clean the dust particles. Because of the sanding, now it has lost its crystal effect. We can bring it back just by applying one layer of resin. So let's sand the other one also. Clean them properly, dry them before applying resin or before drawing the final petals. So before applying the resin, let's draw the final layer of petals. Now the final layer of resin. You can see now instantly the crystal effect, the shine has come back. Let's cure it. Let's see if it is dried. Neat and clear, crystal clear. So beautiful. Let's attach the hooks now. I'm taking silver jump rings. Because it is the resin earring is a bit thicker, I may need 2 jump rings for one earring. Beautiful resin earrings are ready. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.